So I've got a problem with this Chromebook where eBay opens. It's just this website. If I go to my eBay summary, it brings it up in what I would call mobile mode, a little tiny window, which is a pain. I don't mind that on my phone, but I don't want it on here. And it seems to be every time I click that, or recently viewed, exactly the same. So I've been googling and searching and I couldn't find anything, so I've just been playing around with the settings, and I have found a setting. It's quite easy to change. So this is only on a Chromebook. I'm not sure if this happens on a laptop or not, but Chromebook, settings, apps, manage your apps, eBay, supported links, opening eBay. If I change that to open in Chrome browser and exit out of settings, now when I go to my eBay, just remember my choice, stay in Chrome, comes up in full screen. If I go back to eBay now and go on my eBay summary, it's full screen and it looks how it should look, which I'm delighted about. So that's good. That's just a simple video. Hopefully it'll help someone, because I googled and I searched for hours, couldn't find nothing until I found that.